I'm excited to share some new materials that I've received recently from a company called Enkev that is based out of the Netherlands. I just received in this box, two of these boxes actually, a queen size horsehair filler pad, and this is the first time I pulled these out. So this is a needle punched horsehair pad, and I'm told that this backing can be removed easily once you have it in place. It's just on there to keep everything together, and it's a nice dense padding, which I have some ideas for, which I will share with you. The other thing that came in this package is this product called Labyrinth, and it is a TPE, which is thermoplastic elastomer. And TPEs are a family of rubber-like materials that combine the characteristics of rubber with the recyclability and processing advantages of plastics. So this is fully recyclable at the end of its useful life. The thing that I'm thinking of using this for is an outdoor cushion. And I'm thinking it may work if I double up or triple up this thickness and possibly combine it with something else. I haven't figured out exactly what that will be yet, but I'm excited to try it. The next product I'm going to share is this product, which is maybe a little more familiar in the US market, the rubberized coconut fiber, and their name for it is Coco Lock. And these come in mattress sizes, so I believe these are queen-sized pads. This one is a 20 millimeter thickness, which is about 0.8 inches, and it's very dense. So it is another product which may work well for possibly an outdoor cushion or a foundation layer in upholstery. And finally, along with these came this flax. I believe it's 450 grams per square meter. It's fairly thin. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. So there are some upholstery applications which require a thin application, which I have been using wool felt for, and this may be a good alternative. They also have, this is flax and this is hemp, which is almost exactly the same, possibly slightly rougher, but very similar in feel and same thickness. So they have two different products that are very similar. This is a chair that I am really looking forward to using some of these Enkev products with to just reupholster just a simple seat, so it's quick and easy. The layers on this antique chair are cotton, horsehair, what looks like some kind of oiled, really thin cloth, I'm not sure what it is, another layer of cotton, and burlap. I'll just show you these layers real quick. There's the cotton, the horsehair, that thin layer that tears quite easily. It's some kind of fiber. And this is another layer of cotton. And of course, the burlap. So my thought is to use that horsehair pad, some cotton, and the flax pad to replace this mystery layer. And just keep the other ones cotton and see how that works. So I'll be sharing that in a future video. I'd also like to show you the Enkev sample box, which they sent me, that has several additional products. They have several rubberized hair and rubberized coconut fiber products, needle punched horsehair, and wool, cotton, cashmere, camel. There's all kinds of different battings here. There are two that I'd really like to try out. They're both Havabond. There's a cotton Havabond and there's a wool Havabond. And they're quite dense, the way they're manufactured, which makes them especially nice for upholstery padding. This is the Enkev Havabond cotton 1,000 gram per square meter, I believe. And it is quite dense. So if you really push it together, it holds up nicely. They also have a Havabond wool, and that again is quite dense. So very nice battings for upholstery padding. Here's a coconut fiber that is needle pointed on hessian or burlap. And then they have several types of high loft coir coconut fibers. And they have different types of horsehair. I believe this is a rubberized horsehair. And they do have white cattle high loft, so I think that might be a cattle tail, which is a very high quality hair that is used in traditional upholstery. So that's it for the Enkev products. I will be sharing videos of how this chair goes together in the near future, and also some other projects down the road.